here at the 2023 National Wood Flooring Association show. It is a robust show. It is really busy. There's tons of contractors, tons of distributors. We're having a great time here showing a bunch of great new products. This year we've got a couple really cool things going on. First of all, here in Milwaukee, Wisconsin, Bostik's headquarters is located here. We're giving away a Harley-Davidson 2023 motorcycle to a lucky contractor at the end of this show. We've also got roll-cote. Roll-cote, brand new, moisture vapor barrier and primer, roll-on product in one. It's fantastic. It's taken the industry by storm. It's exceeded our expectations the first 6 months of the year, and contractors can't seem to get enough of it.
We've got nearly 300 exhibitors, almost 3,000 attendees. It's quite the show. Thank you guys for being a part of it.
Our relationship with the NWFA goes back decades. We really value the opportunity to connect with their membership, but also to help provide training to their new members that are coming into the association. We spend a lot of time trying to make sure that they understand what is the best way to install hardwood flooring, what are the best adhesives to use, and to make their jobs as easy as possible once they do get out into the market.
I lean on several of Bostik's staff to help with technical standards. Anytime we have technical advice or anything like that we're writing or updating or referring to, we like to lean on the technical aspects from within the industry. And obviously we always appreciate the product that's provided and everything else for our schools.
As the premier hardwood adhesive in the industry, this is a really important show for us. The NWFA is one we participate in every year. We find it extremely valuable to be here to meet with contractors, meet with distributors, and continue to develop the relationships and tell them about all the great new products that we have to offer.